How to add a newsletter on GoDaddy website. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a newsletter to your GoDaddy website. So let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna go to godaddy.com and you're gonna open up your website builder. This is a website that I'm editing, and I'll show you how to add a newsletter to your GoDaddy website if you have a magazine website or a blog website. So for that, we're gonna go to a page. You're gonna select the page where you want to add the newsletter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this page, and then we're gonna select an area where you want to add the section. So let's actually go with this one right here. Click on add section. Once you do that, you will be able to find different options right here to add sections, and we have blog and newsletter right here at number 2. So I'm going to select this one, and then we have blog and subscribe. So I'm going to go to the blog and check out a newsletter that we can add. So we have like blog, and then we have subscribe here. Okay, collect emails to send newsletter, collect emails to send newsletter, and this one. So we're going to select the layout. I think this one looks good where we actually have a background image and then we have like email address to subscribe. Or we can go with a simpler one as well. I'm going to click on add, and there you go, a newsletter will be added. So we have a button right here which says subscribe. Then we can add like a text right here, for example, a catchphrase, or just to ask our customers and visitors to sign up. And then this is where they will be entering their email address, and then we have a sign up button. So this is how you add a newsletter to your GoDaddy website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.